Okay, good morning everyone and welcome back to our live. At muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating second game. This is the 2013 under. This is the battle between the Claret QC versus our Savior School San Juan. And shoutout po kila Sir Jasper, Sir Mamalin, shoutout. Lapit ng Chinese New Year. May Pachoy. Thank you. O just oh yeah. Sa page 2014. Late na coach. May schedule ako late na. Nahirap akong mag-adjust. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. That's the battle of the field. Boss, ano side ka mo? Ano side ka, sir? Facebook po. Yung 2014 Savior. Out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito ng Claret. Shot is good for Claret and the first basket para sa mga naka-red shirt. Jaco, bounce pass, nabitawan. Last touch, red ball. Up and under, he missed it. Almost steal. Number 21. Setting on the play. Gets the three. No, rebound by Cole. Pass to Jaco. Ying to Titus. Back to Cole and gets the foul. Two shots for Cole. No good. Second shot for Cole. Basket is good. Shot, no, rebound ng Claret. Here comes Titus. Titus, too strong. And out of bounds, last touch. Wala rito na ang Claret. Session na po. Number 21. Hi, Coach. Oh, fine po. Miss it. Rebound by Brody. Here comes Jaco. Jaco attacking the basket. He missed. Get the putback. No good. Rebound by Cole. Cole, no good. Out of bounds. Claret School Basketball. Official score is 2-1. Ang ating official. Number 8, nasa number 2. Gets the 3, no, rebound. Michael, out that pass, still. Number 24. Bounce pass, fake. Kick out, number 14 to number 11. Step back, binigay sa corner. Reverse layup, blocked by Cole. Ayun na. Ang Claret. What's up? And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Time remaining 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Depano coming in. DeAndre, you to Jaco, pass to Depano from the corner, catch and shoot, short, rebound, and basket for Jaco Ying. Ayun na, Claret. Oh, almost. Running shot, missed. Rebound. Hey, Jaco, pass to Riley. Depano, umatake, wala, rebound, go, too strong. Rebound ng Claret. Number 11, bounce pass. Coach. And rebound. Here comes DeAndre. And that's a traveling violation. Claret School Basketball. Wait. Sorry. What's up, guys? Session mo, dami dumadahan. Okay, back to the ball game. Red ball. Number 21 setting on the plate. Jump shot, no. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Jaco. Vincent, too strong. Rebound. Cole, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound. Cole. And out of bounds. Last touch. Sorry, that's a Gagi. Correction. Gets the 3, no, rebound by Cole. That's a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Gagi. The guy. Jaco. Pass to Gagi. Depano. 4-3, no, rebound by Depano. The guy sa corner. Jerwin Tan. Basket is good. First basket dito sa laban ni Jerwin. Ayan na ang Claret, number 8. Block by Cole, rebound by Jaco. Tumatakbo na ang Xavier. Jaco nabitawan, will recover. Pass to Depano, Riley. And another traveling violation for Xavier. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 6 seconds on the game clock. Bola rito ng Claret. Number 0. Pass number 26. Nasa corner, jump shot. No. Rebound. And that's a offensive foul for Claret. Yagi setting on the play. Oh. And shoutout po kay Sir Erwin and Ma'am Gina. Hello po. Happy Valentine's. Alright. And ang sweet couple natin. Number 11. Number 0. Oh, wala. Rebound by Felipe. Ayun na. Depano. Pass to Gagi. Pass to Riley. Top of the key for 3. Miss. Rebound. Ng Xavier. Oh, sorry. That's a Claret. Hi, sir, coach. Sorry. Sige po. Number 26. To number 0. Pinas sa corner. Take a shot. Miss. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Felipe. Last 27 seconds. 25. Depano. Jerwin. Basket na naman for Jerwin Dan. Time remaining. Last 12 seconds. Oh, another steal. Bounce pass. Gagi. Basket. 1 second.
Shoutout kay JP Mendoza.
Shoutout po kay Sir JP Mendoza. Okay, and that's the end of our first quarter. Official score is 9-2 in favor of our home team. Ayan, sa mga kakasyonin lamang po, Happy Valentine's Day. Ayan. Work muna tayo sa ating liga. Ayan, it's an honor. Muli, maraming pong salamat to all the parents, especially to our Xavier School who's invited me to cover up this game. And good luck to our team. Tayo dadao na sa ating second quarter. Let's go. Second unit, same thing pa rin para sa second quarter. That's Jerwin, Gagi, Felipe, Julio, and Depano, Riley. Alright, bola natin. Second quarter. Let's go. Depano, pass to Felipe. Gagi, pass to Depano from the corner, 3. No. Rebound, makakuha ni Depano. Riley will recover. Pass to Gagi. To Jerwin. Jerwin. Pinasa sa gilid. Oh. Anong tawag, Rep? Stepping on the line. Ayun na, Claret. Oh, another steal. Depano, spin move. And gets the foul. 2 shots for Riley Depano. First shot is good. Second shot. Depano. Basket na naman. Time remaining 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Oh, steal. Julio to Vincent. Vincent, pass to Riley. Riley, cross-court pass. Vincent, running shot. Basket. For Vincent. Cheng. Uy, mati ka na magawan. Number 21, nakatawid. Derecho and gets a foul. Two shots for jersey number 21. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 13-4. Depano 4-3. No. Number 0 to number 26. Crossover. Uy, munti ka na stilan. Number 0. Oh, double dribble. Or a lifting violation. Substitution. Brody, Titus, and DeAndre coming in for Xavier School. Vincent, Titus, pass to Felipe. Felipe, back to Vincent. Vincent, nabitawan. Oh, and that's a traveling violation. Time remaining 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Bola ng Claret. Ayun na, maaagawan ba? Naka-recover, nakitawid ng Claret. Number 0. Setting on the play. Nasa corner. Make a shot. Short. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Vincent. Vincent, nagmamadali. Vincent, naghanap ng mapapasan. Binigay sa corner. DeAndre. Floater. Wala. Rebound na number 0. There comes Claret. Rebound. Vincent, nagmamadali. Vincent, derecho. Bang! And score for Vincent Cheng. Ayan na ang Claret. Claret setting on the screen. Number 21. Pass to number 14. Binigay sa corner. Back to number 14. Fake. Oh, munti ka na magawan. 5 seconds to shoot. Umatake. Block by Felipe. Rebound. Felipe. Pass to DeAndre. Oh, that's Titus. Titus to Brody. Brody. Kinaldag. Tumira. At pumasok yan. Para kay Brody. Kyoto. At timeout dito ang Claret QC. Official score 70-4 in favor of our home team. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds on the game clock. Back to the ball game. High shot for Brody. Back to the ball game tayo. Time remaining 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Gisa. So watching. Para supportahan dito si Titus Tan. Shoutout po. Sa pamilya Tan as well. Number 21 setting on the screen. Crossover. Running shot. Basket. (17-6). Number 21, pull up. No good. Number 21, wala pa rin. Spin move. Jaco, miss. Wala rito ng Claret. Here comes the Claret. Ayun na. And that's an 8-second shot clock violation. Ayan, back to the ball game tayo. Titus, 4-3. Too strong. Rebound by number 14. Pass to number 11. Ooh, that's a foul. Ay, sige po. Shot is good. Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Basket. Andre. Nasa corner. Jam shot. Miss. Rebound ng Claret. Number 21. Setting on the play. Binigay sa corner. Out of bounds. 2 minutes and 15. Let's go, Xavier. DeAndre, you. Oh, see. Time out. Time out pala yun. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Back to the ball game.
Advantage ka sa bangkado nyo.
What a pass! Jacob miss. Another shot for Jacob and gets the putback. Yet their own miss for Jacob Yang. Number 26, high pick up. Tumira and gets a foul. Two shots for jersey number 26. First shot is good. Basket, Fisher scores 19-10. Jaco. Oy, miss. Rebound. Brody. And gets a foul. Kyoto. Brody on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot for Brody. Basket. 20-10. Oh, almost steal. Number 26, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Nakita ang foul si Jaco Yang. On the free throw area, number 26. First shot, no good. Second shot, missed. Rebound by Jaco. Jaco, sidestep. Wala. Kick out. Gagi, running shot, no. Ayun na. Munti ka na. Out of bounds. Remaining time, last 22 seconds. Bola rin ng Claret. Good. Ayun na, steal by Riley. Outlet pass, Gagi, derecho. Basket na naman for Xavier. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, steal. DeAndre miss. Depano and one. Uy. Wala daw. No basket. And that's the end of our first half. We should score 22-10 in favor of our Xavier School. At magbabalik tayo for our second half. Ayan, shoutout ulit sa ating mga idol dito. Hello, sir. Hey, kaway. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter. Okay, muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating third quarter. Official score is 22-10 in favor of our Xavier School. Number 11 and 1. Basket count by jersey number 11. Claret. Uy! Double dribble. Basket for Jaco Yang. Good. Two shots for jersey number 6. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Brody. Get the skill, number 6, too strong. Rebound by Cole. Now steal for Claret. Step back, block. Yang, outlet pass. Paano? Meron pa ng tao doon. Wala. Offensive rebound ng Xavier. Drop pass. Depano all the way. Akin na to. (28-12). Number 6. Side step. Wala. Fake. The guy. Jam shot. No. Rebound by Jaco. Outlet pass. Depano. Wala. Rebound by Cole. That's a foul. Miss. Rebound ng Claret. Shot is good. Short. Masuk ba yun? Go. Basket. That's a pushing foul. Step back two. Uy. Ringless. Titus to go. There's a foul. Oh, almost steal.
One. Two.
Another foul. Number 7. Sherwin Tan. Same ball. Last 4 minutes.
One.
Number 0. Runner shot and score. Titus. Uy. Mama. Jumble tayo. DeAndre. Pass to Julio. Gets the foul. Julio go on free throw area. That's number 10. First shot is good for Julio. Go. Nakalusot ang Claret. 33 20. Titus 4-3. No. Rebound ng Claret. Number 0. Lazaro 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Vincent. Vincent, hand off to DeAndre. You floater basket for DeAndre. You. Ayun na, number 0. Spin move. And another foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. First shot, no good. Second shot. Missed. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Vincent. Vincent. Hand off to Titus. Back to Vincent. Vincent umatake. Too strong, but there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 25, Vincent Cheng. First shot is good. No. Rebound ng Claret. Outlet pass. Oh, steal by Titus. Titus. Pass to Gagi. Gagi short. Rebound. Ng Claret. Oy, what pass? Oy, miss. Rebound by Julio. Pass to DeAndre. You crossover. You waiting for his teammate. Hand off to Vincent. Vincent back to DeAndre. To Titus from the corner. Bang! 3-point for Titus Tang. Number 21, umatake. Miss. Rebound. Number 21 again. Too strong. Out of bounds. Sabres called basketball. Remaining time, last 31 seconds. $39-20. Vincent to Gagi, back to Vincent. Titus to Gagi from the corner, jam shot, no good, rebound. Julio, pass to Vincent. Vincent to Julio, jam shot, miss, rebound ng Claret. Change direction at nakatawid ang Claret, tumira sa tres. Uy! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third period. Official score, 39-20 in favor of our Xavier School. Okay, at tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Claret School QC or tuluyan ng madodominahan ng Xavier School ang ating laban. Fourth quarter coming up. Ayan, shoutout po to all our parents from Xavier School and coaches as well. Ayan, kasama natin. Coach TY. Alright, fourth quarter, let's go. Hello po, Coach TY. Have a nice day. Claret. Uy, wala. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Vincent. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Vincent up and under. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Outlet pass. Steal by Julio. Go. Pass to Gagi. Nasa Vincent from the corner. Titus. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Last touch. Claret School basketball. Ayan na. Uy, last touch. Red ball. Number 0. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Felipe. Oopsie. Ano nangyari? Sa foul. May foul tayo. Shooting the line. Number 1. Sorry, that's number 0. Second shot, basket. 21-39. Ayun na, si Felipe. Sorry, that's Titus. Titus. Back to Tepano, 4-3. No. Rebound by Vincent. Sorry, that's Gagi. Side step. Ooh. May foul ang itinawag. Depano. Pass to Yang. Jaco. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Oh, what a save by Jaco. Brody. Wala. Rebound. Jaco will save. Jacob tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Felipe miss it. There's a foul. Bola ng Claret. Here we go. Number 6. Oy, block by Jaco. What a save again by Jaco. Number 6 will recover. Out of bounds. Substitution. Okay, good. Riley, women inbound, bigay kay Gagi. DeAndre to Brody, pass to Felipe. Pumasok ba? Basket. 41-21. Outlet pass, too strong. Out of bounds. Save score, basketball. Depano. Pass to DeAndre. DeAndre to Depano. Back to you. DeAndre to Brody. Basket. Here to Brody. Ayan na, binigay, number 6, tumira, wala, rebound by Felipe, pass to Depano, here comes DeAndre, you to Depano, pass to Gagi, jump shot, is good. Hindi kang palumuha. Ayan na, nangangalahati na po tayo sa ating laban. Ayan na, spin, uy. Ayan na, nagagawan, uy. Esa. Out of bounds. Red ball. Charter School QC basketball. Last 5 minutes. Number 11, jump shot. Gets foul. Ipatan tayo saglit. May foul na naman ang tinawag sa ating savior. Shooting the line at jersey number 11. First shot is good. Uy, swak na swak. Ayan na. DeAndre. You. Pass to Brody knocks it down. Ayan na, double digit na ata. Alam ko, si Brody Kyoto dito. Number 21, setting on the play. Atake. Nakitang butas at naipasok na nga ni number 21. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Gagi. Pass to DeAndre. Oh, that's a trouble. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Bola rito ng Claret. Number 21. Setting on the screen. Binigay kay number 11. Fake. Number 11. Step back. Oh. MS. Get the save. Steal by Julio. Ayan na. Sorry, that's DeAndre. What an extra pass. Jerwin. Pass to Ko. Basket. Last 3 minutes na naman po ang natitira sa ating laban. 49-25. Number 21, crossover. Pinas sa corner. Jump shot, short. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution, Vincent and Julio. Go coming in for DeAndre and Brody. Time remaining 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Let's go, substitution for Claret. 2 minutes and 11. Ayun na, bounce pass. Number 0. Tumira at naipasok na number 0 ang laban. 49-27. Gray. Pass ko, back to Gray. Gray, binigay sa corner. Jerwin, jump shot. It's good. Ortan, 51-27. Biggest lead of the game. Another steal. Pero naka-recover. Number 21. Umatake. Kick out. Number 11 for 3. Miss it. Rebound. Makuha ni Vincent. Vincent, outlet pass to Gray. Gray, jump shot. In and out. Rebound. Oy. Julio. Running shot. Miss. Rebound by Ko. Ayan na at the post. Using their height advantage. At nakapuntos na nga. Si Ko. Last 59 seconds. Time out ba? Okay, time out. Claret. Isha score of 53-79. Isang minuto na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Okay, back to the ball game. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Last touch. Yellow ball. Vincent. Cheng. Pass to Gray. Pass to Vincent. Vincent to Ko. Ko. Basket for Ko. Last 30 seconds. Ayun na, still by Vincent. Back to Gray. Akin na to. For Gray, last 19 seconds. 16. 13. 10. 9. 8. Another steal. Julio. Derecho. Basket is good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score, 59-27. Naihabol pa ni Julio Go ang huling tira. And a nice game para sa Clark School QC. Ayan. Shoutout. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Shoutout kay Boss Benedicto Kyoto. Ayan. And also, shoutout to all the parents from Xavier School 2013. Okay, magkita-kita tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe.